When we are learning about finance, how can we leave the most important institution, that is a bank? So how does a bank work? Praneet Mehta goes there and deposits his money, says on a simple interest कि भैया मेरा savings account में डाल दो, and what I get is 3.5% simple interest annually, only 3.5%. And say Praneet Mehta goes there and says अरे मेरी 10 lakhs की FD कर दो, 10 lakhs की FD कर दो, say for 6 months. So what I get is 6.5% interest, simple interest. And say I say FD कर दो 5 years के लिए, so 6.5% CI, compound interest. Copied, guys? I have myself been a financial disaster as a mariner. To be very honest, my financial journey is just 6 months old. So whatever I say in this video, take it with a pinch of salt. The idea is to create that interest or fear so that you start learning. If you really are interested in learning as a seafarer, because nobody is there to guide us, join my WhatsApp channel. The link is in description box, where honest, trustworthy people hopefully will be guiding you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. यहाँ से बैंक मुझे पैसा देता है कि I will get this much or I will get this much. Copied? So bank is taking my money and giving me this much. So, but what is the bank's business? जो बैंक को पैसा देते, what does bank do? Bank gives loan to other people, home loan at 7%, personal at 10%, vehicle loan at 8%. See guys, in any case, bank is giving at 3%, 6.5%. ये दे रहा है, जिसको पैसा देना है, they are giving at only this. But when they are giving to others, it is giving at this higher rate of interest. So it is this business transaction where they are earning money and saving for them and giving their employees. Copied? Apart from that, banks sell insurance. भैया कोई बंदा से Praneet Mehta has gone to the bank to deposit money. अरे सर बैंक में डिपॉजिट कर इंश्योरेंस ले लो, सर टर्म इंश्योरेंस ले लो, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ले लो, ये इंश्योरेंस ले लो. What they get is they get commission over there. अरे सर क्रेडिट कार्ड्स ले लो सर, हमारे हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. भाई वी नीड मनी, पैसा है हमारे पास. Praneet Mehta से lot of people are coming and they are giving their money as a safety net to the bank. तो बोला क्रेडिट कार्ड, भाई क्रेडिट कार्ड बेचेंगे, सर्विस चार्ज लेंगे, लोकल फैसिलिटी फीस लेंगे, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज में से यूएसडी को कन्वर्ट करना है ओवर देयर, एंड वी विल सेल म्यूचुअल फंड्स एंड वेरियस अदर स्कीम्स, वी विल अर्न मनी फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल. सो बैंक भी भाई कुछ नहीं कर रहा, बिजनेस ही कर रहा है, बट इट इज कॉल्ड मोर एथिकल बिकॉज इट इज बीइंग रन अंडर अ लॉट ऑफ रेगुलेशंस बाय आरबीआई एंड दे टेक केयर ऑफ दिस पार्ट. सो गाइस, दिस इज अगेन बिजनेस. They take money from you, give you less interest, and then that same money they give to other people at a higher rate of interest, and then they have got other things to sell as well. Copied, guys? Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This is something that you had to know.